What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about if you whether consider buying the Realme X50 Pro 5G at Rs 25,000 in the Flipkart sale. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Now Realme X50 5G is the first of the early adopters of the market of the 5G phone in India, coming out with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor officially to be launched in India. The phone was launched at Rs 40,000 for the base variant, but now in the sale it's coming for over 25,000. So starting off with the design of the phone, the Realme has established itself an aesthetic brand of the X50 Pro looks a lot of like the Realme previous phones models. The phone is little blockier than the other Realme models, but it still feels modern and premium. The front and the rear of both of these phones has been made out of the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it has a dual camera cutout upper corner left with the punch hole selfie camera. The potential speed of Snapdragon 865 5G processor for the download speed indicates up to 7.5 GHz of upload speed and 3 GB of download speeds, which is just staggering, and we don't know which standard each carrier will adopt to this, and Qualcomm boasts a support of millimeter wave and also the sub 6 GHz. It's currently 5G implementation rolling out all over the worldwide. Also, if we talk about the maximum speed out of it, it can boost up to 2.45 GHz of speed additional with a Cryo 585 running at 2.82 GHz. The phone also has an AI processing and the gaming mode and the ambient sensors, audio and much more. If we talk about the display, it comes with a 6.44 inch of Super AMOLED display with HDR10 plus support panel and up to with a 90 Hz of refresh rate at a resolution of 1080 by 2400. You can also set the refresh rate to 90 Hz, 60 Hz or to auto to balance out the performance between the battery life. And speaking of which, the battery comes with a 4200 mAh battery. The Realme claims to charge to 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes using the included 65 super dart watt charger. The phone will be available in two variants in the sale, and the base variant for 25,000 will be available in the 8 plus 128 GB of storage and the 12 plus 256 at 31,000, which is a pretty steal deal at this price point. What you don't find in this phone will be the wireless charging, IP water resistance and the dust resistance rating, and also the more exotic selections of the camera with a much super sharp display, much like the OnePlus, and it's coming held back some features to hit that attractive price point. On the software, the phone is upgradable to Android 11 with Realme UI. On top of that, slightly customized version of the Oppo Color OS. The Realme also includes its own gaming features such as the game space, which also let you prioritize your game internet traffic, lighting effect around the screen edges for notification and an ambient display. Now in terms of performance, it comes with a Snapdragon 865 processor as told earlier, and also it has a LPDDR5 RAM with UFS 3.0 storage to contribute the overall phone snappiness. And if we talk about the benchmarks and the Antutu scores, the Antutu scores comes at 5,84,000 and the Geekbench single score of 905 and multi-core score of 3,300. At this price, the phone is pretty capable and it isn't crispy as the 2K display, but it should give a tough competition in the upcoming days to the Mi 11X and the iQOO 7 series. So what do you think about this phone? Is this phone worth even considering, or you should skip this phone? If you're planning to buy this phone, you can also check out the link in the description below, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it already if you like this video a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.